5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. The appellant led his evidence before learned trial court by examining himself as DW1 Stop. He has stated in his evidence that on 30/11/2015 at about 6 p.m. he received a call from complainant for giving headphones to her near bus stand of Zakir Hussain College as she was going to Gazipur with her bhabhi. Stop. He reached there on his motorcycle. Stop. When accused was handing over the earphones to the complainant, her bhabhi saw them and started shouting stop. On hearing the noise of bhabhi of complainant, accused got scared and left the spot. Stop. Huge crowd gathered there. Stop. He has stated that he had given a number to the complainant on his identity which she was using for her personal use. Stop. Stranger. After considering the entire material on record, the learned trial court convicted the accused for the offence under section 341 and 354 IPC. Stop. Learned counsel for appellant has argued that the learned trial court has not properly appreciated the evidence. Stop. He submits that there are contradictions in the testimony of PWS and PW2. CT Vijay during his chief examination has stated that accused was arrested from his house, but during cross examination he said that the accused was arrested from the Muhammad Farhan versus State page 4 of 13 spot itself. Stop. Similarly, PW2 Ram Kisan in his chief examination stated that on hearing the noise of complainant, her mother came at the spot. On seeing her, accused ran away from the spot. Learned counsel further submits that as per the entire record, mother of complainant was never in picture and even her statement was never recorded by the IO. Stop. He has also argued that the complainant is not a trustworthy witness, since during her chief examination she did not disclose the entire facts, and when she was cross-examined by learned APP, she admitted all the suggestions given by learned APP to her. Stop. Learned counsel submitted that admittedly crowd had gathered at the spot. Despite that, IO did not record the statement of even a single public witness. Stop. No statement of public witness was recorded. Stop. Stanza. PW3 and PW5 are the most material witnesses of the prosecution, as the entire case of the prosecution rests upon their testimony. Stop. PW3 is the victim of the crime and PW5 was accompanying PW3 at the time of incident. Stop. They both have remained consistent on the fact that on 30/11/2015 at about 7 p.m. they both were going to bus stand Zakir Hussain College, and when they reached near the bus stand, the accused stopped complainant (PW3) snatched her dupatta and hit on her breast. Stop. PW3 prosecutrix was not disclosing the entire facts during her chief examination. Therefore, with the permission of learned MM, she was cross-examined by learned APP, in which she categorically admitted that the accused also hit on her breast, which was duly corroborated by the testimony of PW5 (bhabhi of prosecutrix) that accused stopped the complainant witnesses (PW3 and PW5) to create doubt in their testimony. Despite their lengthy cross-examination. Stop. The testimony of both these witnesses clearly proves the occurrence of incident with PW3 Muhammad Farhan versus State page 5 of 13. Stop. Stanza. In regard to the identity of the appellant, the same was not in question, since as per the first complaint, Exhibit PW3/A, given by complainant to police accused was known to her even prior to incident, as in her said complaint she has alleged that accused had done similar kind of act with her earlier also, which was resolved by both the families themselves. Stop. Even during cross-examination, PW3 and PW5 both have admitted that accused lives in the neighborhood of PW3. Stop. The presence of accused at the spot is also not disputed. Stop. None of the prosecution witnesses was given even a single suggestion during their cross-examination that accused was not present at the spot. Stop. Rather, the accused has admitted his presence at the spot in the defense evidence led by him by stating that he reached at the spot on the date and time of the incident on the request of complainant to hand over her headphone. Stop. Stranger. Learned counsel has pointed out certain contradictions in the testimony of PWs that as per PW2, C.T. Vijay accused was arrested from his house, and as per PW2, Ram Kishan, he was arrested from the spot, and also that in chief examination PW3 complainant stated that she made all call at 100 number, but during cross examination she said that 100 number call was made by her bhabhi, and as per PW5 100 number call was made by some public persons. Stop. All these discrepancies in the deposition of witnesses are minor and do not fail the case of the prosecution. Stop. It is settled law that 800 the minor discrepancies do not fatal the case of the prosecution unless they impact the genesis of the case. Stop. Over.